let's quickly explore in what time will it open when I lift this one. Oh wow, it only took like roughly around half a second to open it using my touch ID. It's it's so much quick. If I would open this, it would take a long time. Another feature of this MacBook Pro is backlit keyboard. But here, due to this backlit keyboard, it is way more convenient during night times to work on your laptop. I will now show you how the sound quality is and how the video quality is in my MacBook Pro. So let's jump into it. Another point I would like to include is battery, because we can say I can get up to 10 hours of battery life in with this laptop, but approximate 2 or 3 hours of battery in this laptop. Another big feature of MacBook Pro is this touch bar. We have so many options here like Siri, sound option. We can adjust the sound from here itself. Also the brightness options, like it these two are keyboard brightnesses. We can decrease or increase this one is the menu or the home page, we can say. Then it comes adjusting the brightness. We can adjust the brightness from here itself. Let's see what time it will take to open MATLAB. This one is Mac and this one is Dell. Let's open MATLAB in both. Here you can see the command window is already open, but here only the logo has come. By the time it opens, I may write some code in this one. The multifunctionality feature in MacBook is so much convenient. Let me show you. By doing 3 fingers up, you can open a separate desktop page in which you can work simultaneously. Suppose I want to open some document like Microsoft Word, opening in the next desktop, and I would be carrying out some document stuffs in this desktop page, and by the time this code runs or maybe compiles, at that time we can just quickly draft another document. As you can see here, no response has been there. Since the time I have opened, I have done so many things here. Finally, as you can see, now this MATLAB is open. Let's see another new feature, which is Siri. So, hey Siri,
How can I help?
what's the weather in Vadodara?
It's currently smoky and 18 degrees.
Amazing.